Good morning, everyone, or good evening. I don't know what part of the country you're in, but hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about food waste. I know some of you have had those onions that have been sitting and you might have forgot about it, and it started growing these little green things, and you thought, oh, this is no good, and just toss it in the trash. Don't throw it away in the trash. Look at that. I took toothpicks all around it, put it in water, and as you can see, the roots started growing. When the roots were growing, these started growing. These are very delicious. You can use them in all your meals. They're just like having green onions. So today, I thought it would be a good day to go ahead and cut these off and wash them and chop them up, and then we're going to be putting them in our dehydrator. That way we can preserve them and use them in dishes for later times. So you're just going to take any good clean kitchen shears, and you're just going to cut the onion base off. And you can do this with store-bought onions. You can do it with garden onions. Oh, it smells so good. Especially in the winter months, and you just want to have a taste of the garden. This is something that you can do just to liven up your dishes. Now, if I wanted to, I can take this out and plant it in dirt or in a pot in my house, and this will continue to grow these shoots even though I've cut them down. I've left about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and that will continue to grow, and you just keep harvesting over and over again. So I'm going to take these and wash them up real quickly. And then we're just going to get to chopping. You want to cut them about 1/4 of an inch. Be very careful not to cut your fingers. But these will dry very nicely in your dehydrator. I will be setting the temperature at 95 degrees. And they take 3 to 6 hours, depending on your humidity in the house or any environment that you're dehydrating them. You don't have to be specific on your 1/4 of an inch, except for down at the bottom part that's a little thicker. See if you can see that. You want to keep those at that length. But towards the top and the green areas, they'll dry a lot quicker than the ends. So once you get those chopped, you're going to get your dehydrating tray. And I have a little mat here so it doesn't fall through the cracks of the tray. And you're just going to spread it out in a single layer, kind of like you did with the little carrots the other day in that dehydrating video. I'm just going to spread this out nice and evenly. There we go. That part there. If you have any part of the stem that has any kind of change of color, like brownish, go ahead and remove that at this time. And there is our green onions. I'm going to bring you around here. To my dehydrator. This is the Cabela's dehydrator. I really enjoy it. I'm going to put this right in here, close to the middle. Turn it on. We're going to set the temperature at 95 degrees. Then we're going to set the time for 6 hours. But I will start checking it at 3. And that is ready to go. Bring you back over here. I wanted to share something with you all today. I have received a book. Bring you forward just a little bit. My husband ordered it for me, and I've been waiting for it for a really long time. Jessica Sowers. She's from Roots and Refuge Farm. I watch her daily. She has taught me so much about gardening, and I'm sure that she could teach you a lot too. So she's on YouTube. Again, that is Jessica Sowers of Roots and Refuge Farm. And she came out with a book. And it is the First Time Gardener Growing Vegetables. All the know-how and encouragement you need to grow and fall in love with your brand new food garden. And this book is very special to me. I was so excited when my husband gave it to me yesterday. But in this book, in the contents, you'll have a welcome to the classroom, because the garden is a classroom. You will learn something every day about your garden. The foundation and what every garden needs to succeed. Creating your garden, growing with the seasons, the need for seed or not, growing something lovely, designing a captivating space, a nitty-gritty of garden management, making the harvest, and in conclusion, Grow One Gardener. And like I said, Jessica has just been an inspiration to me in my gardening world. So if you guys can support her in her first book, you can find it at Amazon. It is on sale now. I'll show you the back of the book. The pictures in this book is absolutely beautiful. Very vibrant. So with that, I just want to say thank you for joining me today, and if you will, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, share, share, share. Have a wonderful week, everyone. We'll see you soon.